Whoa!
What up? We're making a movie.
Yes.
You're the star.
An adult movie.
You are the star.
Review the safety card at your seat. Please also pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat.
Where are we at?
We're in Denver, Colorado.
Who are
On
you
our
with?
way to Breckenridge, Colorado.
Hey.
Oh, you go in the other one?
Yeah, thanks.
My bad.
Thanks, Dylan, for anything.
Could it go this way?
It might.
Can you slide it under the seat?
It can probably go in the back from the front seat all the way to the back. It can lay beside
Hey, just put it in.
I'm trying. Crossing to like 3 o'clock. This way, next right.
Actually, working from home, I have.
What's up?
Dude, snowmobile was a lot.
I got 30.
We went to finish that while we were next month.
McDonald's.
King Sapinas. Whatever you can.
What do you want me to do?
Talk to the driver, Dale.
What do you think?
No, like, talk to the him.
Oh, is it recording right now?
Yeah, like, hold
Oh.
on. Talk to the driver. I don't really want to talk.
Nobody wants to be in the video, apparently.
That's what I just said.
Well, I'm like just focused on driving. I don't want to like, you see, we're going like 70 into a turn.
Ross, don't you love who can do it?
Oh gosh. You guys better be ready to hold your breath for a long time.
Eisenhower, baby.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm good. We have 2 dead guys in here.
Yo, Len.
What up?
Look at these three. Christine, have anything to tell us?
I'm just so happy to be here.
That's great.
The doses. All right, everyone already took their drink.
At least you got you one killer trade beforehand.
You done this before?
Never done it.
Never.
Rookie.
I just don't get why she waited 4 years later.
Can't wait to hit the slopes
They were
tomorrow.
creepy pictures.
It's like, what's the point of waiting until he gets the G?
Show me outside, Dallas.
You should check this out. It's beautiful. Look at that. You see the ski lift moving. Gorgeous mountains. See that? All the way up top. We're not allowed to go there.
We're not?
No, it's closed because there's not enough snow up there. That's the highest ski lift in the continental United States.
Really?
Yep.
That's insane.
This is epic. Come up right there and just slide down. You're not ready to run that shred, dude. Shit.
Leonard,
Or maybe
gotta
not.
be us,
I bet we
dude.
can just walk up here.
Honestly, might go get the skis. Do a few runs there.
Free there, Zach.
There's like no tread, and the snow's like leveling them out.
Oh, people just walk around? Okay. So you can just like walk on the slope of that? No, this is crazy.
Hey, Ross. What happened this morning?
Well, we got up at about 5 a.m. Our bodies thought it was 7. So we just sat here.
Yeah.
That's what you did to my
Had
plate.
some coffee, sat by the fire,
I gave you one job.
had some waters.
One job.
Gotta hydrate.
They're not done, dude.
To wash my plate.
What happened?
And now there's water bottles on them.
It's just a place.
Now I don't want to be involved in this.
You want a burnt bagel? And this happened to my bagel. Not cool.
Dilly, you ready?
Yes, so ready. So pumped.
So pumped it's already.
So pumped.
Are you ready, Dallas?
I'm scared, but I'm ready.
Alright, I guess I'll go put my pantalones on.
Yo, doggy.
Are you ready?
I'm pumped.
He is pumped.
Locking in.
Just pumped.
All right, let's get to it. Are you gonna do a backflip?
Maybe on the second day. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell us what kind of run you're gonna do today.
I'm gonna start off with the double black up there. Yeah, top. See how it feels.
Okay.
And then I'll just go.
All right. What kind of run you doing, Ross?
I'm gonna probably go middle level. I'm not too skilled, so I think middle level. I'm about a tier 2
Yeah.
snowboarder, so I think I should be okay.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of run you gonna do, Leonard?
Just gonna hit it all, yeah.
Hit it all?
We're gonna see what's got out to offer me, you know?
You gonna do a nollie, couple of kick flips?
Yeah. Do a couple trays, a couple big spins.
Okay, I already went to the bathroom. And Dylan.
Suit up, boys.
Into my pocket every time.
We can build a treehouse in the pine trees. We can keep our secrets buried underneath. Wildflowers crush between your fingers, clinging to the wild things that raised us. Compass point you home, calling out from the east. Compass point you anywhere closer to me. If we make it out alive from the depths of the sea, compass point you anywhere closer to me. Where you are, I will be. Miles high in the deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere between. Take me to the garden of your ecstasy. Make myself a heaven from your fallen leaves. Lying in the fabric of your tattoo.
Yo, what's up?
Cover me in honeysuckle memories. Compass point you home, calling out from the east. Compass point you anywhere closer to me. If we make it out alive from the depths of the sea, compass point you anywhere closer to me. Where you are, I will be. Miles high in the deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere in between. I will take the pieces, put them back together. Even when the grass isn't green enough. Taking all the branches, build us up some much and love you in the way that you needed love. Where you are, I will be. Where you are, I will be.
Meanwhile,
So we just finished shredding, and now we're the only ones here, and of course we're at the bar. Christine, thoughts?
We obviously killed it, but we're so much better than everyone. We just wanted to come get a drink.
That's the news. Long day, first day, and we just took out the trash, and Kim decided to wear this.
A little cold. Thighs are on fire.
It's a chilly night, and we're gonna watch the sunset. So we will get back to you. What's up, guys? We are shredding day 2. Fresh set of snow. You can still see it coming down. I currently lost everyone. I was probably shredding too hard for them. So after this, definitely think I deserved a trip to the bar. Yeah, I gotta say, I am probably the MVP. Okay, I lied. I'm not the MVP at this. More like most improved. Couldn't stand up on the board yesterday, and today they're out here asking me to quit my day job, do this full time. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred. We'll catch you later. Dallas, what happened?
I broke a ski pole.
Are you gonna be able to get down?
No idea.
No idea. We'll find out. Okay, so last update, Dallas broke one of his sticks. Good news was we made it down the slope, and he made it down with just one. Dallas, where's your other one?
Oh no. It's back there somewhere.
Oh, he lost his other one. So now we're going back to the top, and you have no poles.
I have no poles.
No poles.
No poles.
All right, let's see how. All right. All right, guys, end of the trip, and we're gonna get a little dill cap right now.
Oh, great trip, great trip. First couple days were fantastic on the slopes. Had a beautiful, beautiful day yesterday. Got to see snow, fresh pow pow.
French girl.
French girl. Awesome time. Dumbo? Do you like the way you look, Dumbo?
No. My chest hurts really bad. I fell on it. I think I have internal bleeding, bruises, whatever it's called. Yeah. I don't know.
Shortest vacation ever. Wish it wasn't ending.
But not the worst. One of the best. I had an absolute...
Alright guys, a big thank you if you made it this far into the video. I know there wasn't much video of me snowboarding, but that's because I was really taking my time to learn and practice. So I can say that at the start of 2021, I successfully learned how to snowboard. This is the second video of my new vlog style series, Best Friends, and I hope you enjoyed watching and had a few laughs. Until next time, your new best friend.